Fanatics.
Just touched down in the airport.
Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen and girls, ladies and boys, today's a new vlog. It's a new day and we have a couple things to do today. Journey with me, power with me, see what I go on. Hello.
Hi, this is the alert system. Congratulations. Press 1 now to speak to our qualification department.
Your mother. Alright, so boom, basically now today the shoot I have, me need for dress up like old person. Me I play a old man, well a father role, so me need outfit. We are gonna see if we can go thrift shopping to get some outfit for the role there. Yeah, that's it, basically. Blue. What's going on? Blue. Hello. Talking to you. You listening? Oh no, take it easy. Oh no, take it easy. VVS. Oh no, take it easy. So right now we are here on set, behind the scene. Pay attention. This is my wife. That's my daughter right there. She's right now we still up on set. So right now we get half of the work done. We have Miss Candy cooking. Focus. Candy and chef. So it was a productive day. One day we take to do this. One. We're champions.
You got her cleaning out the fridge for us?
Dude, see, you gotta let them work. These are like over R. Kelly house. No! You know what I mean?
I never meant it like that, guys. I meant like R. Kelly have only put money in them house way. Them say kidnap and them do things.
I ain't doing shit for you.
Lifetime.
I have one in the fridge. Hey, turn on back the camera.
Why y'all got a camera on me?
You live, you lit.
I love.
You're not done clean out the fridge.
Who you talking to?
I'll take this phone, go put it up in our room.
This
oh, yeah, video. What's up when you're sleeping? Hey, what are you eating? Hey, what are you?
Alfredo Cajun pasta. Chicken pasta.
So people, we're almost done. We have shoot a couple more scenes for the rest of the night. Almost done. Ladies and gentlemen.
Hey guys! I gotta go. See y'all later.
Right now, what time now? 11 o'clock?
It's 12.
What's the great set on the court? Yeah, that's Saturday.
11:38 right now.
I'm at thing.
Go.
So, right now, maybe that taste. The big chef there. Pepper bun me up! Woo! Everybody just left. We get one leap done today. I'm gonna drop this after Trabass drop the short film. We have only for behind the scene, I don't want to give you nothing. So until then, see you tomorrow.